Spotting animals in the Kruger National Park. First, we see the elephant. The elephant is an amazing animal. Let me tell you some things about this incredible animal. Elephants are the biggest land mammals in the world. They can weigh as much as a school bus. Here in the Kruger National Park, we have African elephants and they are super special. If the elephant is very big and walking alone, it's probably a male, called a bull. Bulls have bigger, rounder heads and longer, thicker tusks. If the elephant is smaller and in a group, it's likely a female, called a cow. Female elephants live together in families with their babies. Their tusks are shorter and thinner. Elephants are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. They use their long trunks like a spoon to grab grass, leaves, and even tree bark. If they want fruit high up in the tree, they can use their trunk to shake it down. Their big tusks help them peel the bark off trees. For the elephant, it's like eating a crunchy snack. In winter, when the grass and leaves are harder to find, elephants get creative to find food. They use their strong trunks and sharp tusks to strip the bark off trees, which is full of nutrients. They might also push over small trees to eat the roots and branches. Elephants are always on the move, looking for plants, shrubs, and anything green that's still growing. Their ability to eat different parts of plants like bark and roots help them survive, even when food is scarce. Next, we see the giraffe. A giraffe is such an incredible animal. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Their long necks help them reach leaves high up in trees where most other animals can't reach. Male giraffes, called bulls, are bigger and have thicker necks. They also have two little horns on their heads, and the tops are bald from fighting other males. Female giraffes, called cows, are smaller and their horns are thinner and covered in hair. Giraffes are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. They love to munch on the leaves of acacia trees, using their long tongues, which are purple, to grab the leaves and avoid the sharp thorns. Even when it's dry in winter, they can find food high up in the treetops. Here we see the lion, the king of the jungle. Lions are one of the most exciting animals to see because they are very strong and powerful and part of the Big Five. Male lions are easy to spot because they have a big, fluffy mane around their head and neck. It makes them look bigger and scarier to other animals. Female lions, called lionesses, don't have manes. They are smaller and faster because they do most of the hunting for the pride. That is the lion family. Lions are carnivores, which means they eat only meat. They hunt animals like zebra, wildebeest, and even buffalo. Lionesses work together to catch their prey, while males usually eat first to stay strong and protect the pride. Lions can sleep for up to 20 hours a day to save their energy for hunting at night. So during the day, lions may look lazy as they're just laying around, but they're getting ready for action later. Isn't it amazing to see a lion in the wild? It's like watching nature's royalty in action. So we have a view of these amazing animals at the Kruger National Park, which is a very renowned game reserve. A game reserve is a very large area of land where wild animals are protected and can live freely in their natural habitat. People visit game reserves to see animals like lions, elephants, and giraffes in the wild. The reason you would find game reserves in large natural areas like grasslands and forests and near rivers is because these places provide the animals with the space, food, and water they need to survive. You would never find a game reserve in a city or town because towns and cities have too many buildings, roads, and people. Wild animals would not have enough space to live or find food, and it could be dangerous for both the animals and the people. Therefore, game reserves are in areas where nature is still wild and animals can live freely as they do in their natural environment. Game reserves keep the animals and their environment safe and healthy.